In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Keyword Planner for Google Ads. First, go to ads.google.com and log into your Google Ads account. Next, go to the left sidebar, click Tools, then Planning, and then from the drop-down, choose Keyword Planner. You'll see two main options: Discover New Keywords and Get Search Volume and Forecasts. Choose Discover New Keywords to find keyword ideas, or select Get Search Volume and Forecasts if you already have keywords. I'll choose Discover New Keywords as I don't have keywords previously. Enter a product, service, or website related to your business, then click Get Results. Review the keyword ideas, search volume, and competition to choose the best keywords for your ads. Once you find the keywords you want, add them to your campaign or save them for later. Or you can copy and paste them anywhere you want for later use. And that's it. That's how you use Keyword Planner for Google Ads. Thanks for watching.